Okay, all right. So, hello everyone. Welcome to 5 Minutes Code channel where I will be giving you the solution of all the problems of lead code and geeks for geeks within 5 minutes, no matter whether how much tough they are or how much easy they are. I'm gonna make sure that in less than 5 minutes you are able to understand that problem. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please go and subscribe. All right, so that's it. Let's start now. Okay, so today's problem of the day is candy problem, which is a hard problem of and it's very good problem, I will say. Now what we have to do in this problem, let's understand it quickly. That I will be given an array of ratings, and in the ratings, like I will be having some integers. I think always the positive integers will be there. Yeah, I will be always getting the positive integers. And what now I have to do is, the thing is that I have to distribute some candies to them. Okay, so how I am going to distribute some candies? Every child should be having one candy. Okay, fun thing is every child should have one candy, and the neighboring, and suppose one child is rating is 0. Okay, and another child's rating is 2. So the number of toffees that 0 is getting it, and the number of trophies that 2 is getting. So the number of trophies that 2 has got should be greater than the 0 because its rating is higher. So this is the second point. Okay, and if I'm talking about the neighbor, I should be considering both the starting one and the end one as well. Okay, so what can I do is, look, if any I will start giving one candy to everyone, and if the next neighbor is higher, if the next neighbor rating is higher than the previous one, I will add one candy to it. Otherwise I will continue, otherwise I will again change the candy to 1. Okay, so like suppose for 1 I will give it one candy, and after that 2, after 0 I will again give one candy, and 2 I will give two candy. Okay, so in this way we can do it, I think. But the thing is, key, if this, look, I have given one candy to it and 0 candy to it. Okay, now 1 0 is the neighbor of 1. Okay, so I have to iterate it twice, like one from the left to right and another from the right to left. Okay, I think if I will write the code of it, it will become more easy for you. So let's make one array, and let's write it candy new int, and I will be giving it with n as well. Okay, and so the coffee sum will be what? 1. Always I will start from the 1, and I will give the first trophy. First trophy, let's say I will give 1 only. So I will give candy of S, candy of 0 equal to 1. Okay, alright. So now what I will do, I will start. So look, once I will be going from the top to left to right and another from the right to left. Okay, so in this way we will do. Now I equal to 1. So if let's copy this. If ratings of I is greater than ratings of I minus 1, what I will do, S plus plus, and yeah, in this way I will do S plus plus and candy of I equal to S. Okay, otherwise S equal to 1. Okay, so what I can do is I will remove this from here and I will give it here. Okay, so that it runs for both in this way. I think that's it. And in this way I have given distributed the candy from the one side. Now again I have to distribute it, isn't it? Okay, all right. Now I will be starting it from the last. Now look, I will calculate one answer equal to 0 as well, but not 0. Look, if I'm coming at the last point, so what's the candy at that point? Either it will be 1 or it will be candy is the n minus 1. Okay, so math dot max of 1, let's write 1 comma candy n minus 1. Okay, that's it, I think. Now let's start from the bottom as well. For int I equal to n minus 2, I is greater than equal to 0, I minus minus, and let's copy this again till this point, I think. Okay, so if ratings of I is greater than rating of I minus 1, here I will do I plus 1, S plus plus, otherwise S, and after that update the answer. Answer plus equal to math dot max of S, and another thing will be what? Another thing will be candy of I, which was earlier. So what's the max of both? I will take that. Okay, And after that, coming here, I don't know why it's not scrolling. This thing is here, this bracket. I think everything is fine. Let's return answer. Okay, that's it. Let's got it. Okay, this was here. Okay, let's do compile and run. 5 5. All right, let's submit it. I think it should run. Okay, fine, great, great, great. Okay, guys, thank you. I think everyone would have got the solution. It's a very tricky problem, a very commonly asked interview problem, but I think we have explained it and we have solved it in very easy manner. Okay, thanks everyone. We'll see you again. Bye. And please subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. Okay, bye guys.